Okay, here we go. Part 2. Alright, mounting a brand new tire. Alright, on 700C rim. Alright, okay, now, I see I got tube all the way in. Make sure you want to make sure that it's laying flat inside the, the B of the rim, right? It's not, hanging out over the edge of the rim. You want to get pinch flat at this point. Remember, I've already rescued. Shut up, bird! What the fuck? I'm scared because I'm standing here and down on the ground under the tree where its nest is. Probably got some babies up in there, freaking out. Anyways, alright. Because when you, then, like anybody else, I mean, because it is a brand new tire, right? You gotta figure out which side is on the best, and then, finish putting it on. That's this side, it's already started. Right, get the thumb, right, just work yourself around the B, all the way around. Come on, remember, it's a brand new tire, so it's going to be stretched, pliable. It's going to, go on fairly easy in the beginning. Right? See, I always start the other side. I always start right here just below the valve stem, always. Right? That way you get a good seat on the valve stem. You can push it in if you have to. Right? Keep turning your thumbs. Right? And get to this point. Now this is where it gets difficult. Remember, this is just the beat side. We haven't done the other side yet. Right? You don't want to pinch the tube with the wrench. Come on. I was there. It's better to miss than, get the tube. It's gotta come out, so. I pushed up bigger that time. It's on any which way you can, because that's the only way you get it on. There is no science to this. But all them pro guys always shoot all their videos on YouTube, yeah, they struggle just like I do. Right? Believe that. You just don't see it on the camera like you see it with me. Alright, okay, we got that side in. Right? It looks like good, good strong fit on the bead. Now, the fun side. Alright? Make sure your tube's straight. Alright, so before you go any farther, alright, make sure it's straight up down. See it? Alright, now. That's pretty cool tool you got there, Brian. Yeah, it's a bell. Let's see, bell. Universal multi-wrench. So small one, flat steel, push shiny. Look, see, you've got a bottle rack so you can drink beer after you're done. Alright. I think it was like $8.99 or something like that at Walmart. When I was a kid, you can put it in your pocket if you have to. Now this side, you should be able to see like the first side, most of it with your thumbs. But because it's stretched out this way, you see how it's wide, right? You're gonna have to push it in. So you might want to have to catch the bead, both of them, and pull it towards the setting. Right? Make sure it seats. That's the first time through. You want it to work the first time, not the last time. Halfway. This is why I started at the valve stem on the other side, because I ended the valve stem on this side. Right now, same process. Get the wrench or a flat instrument or something. Right? One of those Pedro's, tire spoons. Those work real good. The hard plastic ones. The yellow ones, they'll break on you. Don't believe them. Don't buy the yellow ones. Pedro's, right? Or get a good metal tool like this one. Yeah, you run the risk. But there's no reward without risk. None. At all. You chose. Right, you're in. We go outside. That's what. See, and that way I know that both sides of the bead are fit in good around the valve stem. That's not gonna move. The tube's not gonna move inside the tire. Alright, looks pretty good. The tread, it's got this funny little tread power too. It's like a one little line, one little half moon, another moon, bigger moon, and the line going this way through it, right? On both, opposite sides. It's got a tread line in the middle, right? Fairly slick in the middle. Feels good, the tread feels pretty thick, right? Feels good. Got a sticky compound, right? I hope it's a hard one. I could use a hard one. Right, ready to go, right? Heck yeah. End of part 2.